Okay, so hello all of you. Today we shall be taking up the topic of test of divisibility. Okay, so we shall be doing the test of divisibility of 2, 3 and 4. This is from standard 6, from standard 6 syllabus, test of divisibility of numbers. Okay.
So first, test of of divisibility by 2. Okay, we shall be doing test of divisibility by 2 first. Test of divisibility is the simplest, but by 2 is the simplest one, because we'll see that if the number is ending in a 0, okay, if the number ends in 0 like 2520, okay, so the number, this digit, we have to check only the last digit. The rest of the number we are not bothered about. The number can be 7-digit long. It can be any. The number can be any big. That is immaterial to us. Only this matters. The last digit we have to see. If it is a 0, the number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now there is a second test also. If the last digit is a even number, that is, it either ends in 2 or it ends in, let's say, it ends in like this, okay, or it is 2526 or 2528 or even 2122, this one, okay, 26, any number, whichever, we have to check is the last digit. Is it an even number or not? If it is an even number, then the number is divisible by 2. As simple as that. So there is no calculation for this test. All you have to do is observe the number and tell whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Okay. Now next is test of divisibility by 3. We shall be testing a number for the divisibility of 3. Let's take the number 10038. Okay, now listen carefully. In this test, what happens is we are going to add all the digits in the number. Even if it is a 0, we are going to add it. So 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 8. That is equal to 12. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. This gives us a 12. Okay, 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 10038 is also divisible by 3. Okay. Next, let's take up another number. Another example. 20701, and we'll add up the digits now. 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 0 plus 1. Okay. So if it is 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 0 plus 1, let us see, it is a 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3, so the number is not divisible. It will not go by 3. We can check it here. Okay, so let's check. 20701. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes we can check it just to see that, just to understand it better. So it is, this is how much? 3, 3 6 are 18, then 27, 3 9s are 27, then bring the 0 down, put a 0 here and 1. So it is, you are getting a decimal number after this. So this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, so let's take another number to check the divisibility of 3. Let's take 124. 79,124. Then it is 7 plus 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. That is 6 plus 1, 7, 14, 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9 is a 23. This number is also not divisible by 3. Okay, it is not divisible by 3 because 23 is not divisible by 3. Let's take another number now. We'll take another number and test the divisibility of 3. Let me take 5 to 4, 781. 781. 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 1. Okay. This is 18, I can see 18 and 9, 27. 27 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. Okay, so 27 is divisible by 3, so this big number is also divisible by 3. You can check it by doing the division. Shall we check? Okay, let's check only. Okay, so 5, 2, 4, 7, 8, 1, 3. 3, 1 is 3, 22, 7, 21, 1, 14, 4, 12, then 2, 7, 9, 27, and then 27. Then take the 8 down, 2s are 6, okay, it's a 6, and then take the 2, 1, 7, and that gives us a 21. Okay, so that gives us a 21. Therefore, remainder is 0. As you can see, remainder is 0. So the number is divisible by 3. Okay. So if the remainder comes to a 0, that means the number is divisible. Then the next number that we are going to take up is the number 4. Test of divisibility by the number 4. Let's see. Now for 4, the test is very simple. Again, we don't have to do much calculations. In 3, we have to do some calculations. In 4, we don't have much calculations. All we have to do it is we have to write the number. Let's take for 4, we'll take 23590. 2314. In the test of divisibility by 4, we have to check only this part, the last 2 digits. Okay, the length of the number, how many digits are there in the number, nothing matters, only the last 2 digits matter. So here if it is a 14, then the number 14 is not divisible by, 4. Okay, the number 14 is not divisible by 4. 12 is divisible, 16 is divisible, but 14 is not divisible. So the number is not divisible by 4. Shall we check it? 2, 3, 1, 4. 4, 4, 5s are 20. Then 3, 0. 3, 1. 4, 7s are 28, 34. 8s are 32 and 2. Okay. So 2 remains as the remainder. So the number is not divisible by 4. So we have to see whether the last 2 digits makes a number which is divisible by 4 or not. If yes, the number is divisible by 4. Now let's change this to this. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then if the number is ending in 2 zeros, the number will be divisible by 4 for sure. Let's check. 2, 3, 0, 4, 4, 5s are 20, 30, 4, 7s are 28, 2, 0, 4, 5s are, see, remainder comes 0. So if the number ends in 2 zeros, the number is definitely divisible by 4. Now, if the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, this number will also be divisible by 4. We'll check that and see too. Okay, so let's check that. 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, 4 5s are 20, and then 32. 4 8s are 32, and this is, then bring the 4 down, 1. Okay, so this number is also divisible by 4. So we just have to check this portion. If the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. Okay, so with this we'll end this video here. We check the divisibility of 2, 3 and 4. Again I repeat, for 4 it is, for the test of divisibility of 4, the number has to either end in two zeros or it has to end in a double. The last two digits has to be divisible by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. Okay, so we end the video here, and we shall be doing 5, 6 and 7 divisibility next class. Okay, till then you can keep practicing this. Okay, if you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks all of you.